All right, I'm back. So, quite an eventful morning. Fantastic outcome. Absolutely fantastic. I know many of you have been emailing me, telling me, you made all this money in currencies or gold positions or whatever. That's great. But look, hey, and we have to remember as part of the mental game training, you have to congratulate yourself. You have to pat yourself on the back. You have to give yourself credit, and you have to keep a positive frame of mind. And that's reinforcing and telling yourself you did good when you did good, and when you do bad, it's not about berating yourself and screaming at yourself. It's about understanding that you went off course with your behavior and correcting it. All right. So we don't rest on our past achievements. We look to move forward. Now, a couple of things I want to talk about. First of all, June is going to be a big month, people. Get ready. I mean, we had a big day today, but a lot of stuff happening in June. A lot of stuff happening in June. Um, we have Brexit on June 23rd. That's going to be huge. It's going to be one of those things that has the potential to just throw markets just unbelievably in one direction or another. And Brexit is going to be something, I'll tell you this right now. Okay, Brexit is going, regardless of what the outcome is, whether Britain stays in, whether Britain pulls out, I'm going to tell you this right now. The reaction by traders and investors, the reaction of the market is going to be wrong. Okay, so basically, we want to do nothing going into Brexit. We want to see what the outcome is, and we want to let everybody do the wrong thing. And then, like tigers, we will pounce. Okay, number one. Number two, what is it, June 14th and 15th, or is it June 13th and 14th? I don't remember, but not next week, the week after, you got the Fed meeting. Okay, now this number today, a lot of people saying, well, the rate hike is off the table. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. Again, most likely we won't have any, major trading positions on going into that, although we have stock positions on. But we'll see. And whatever the outcome of the meeting is, we wait. 100% of the market's going to get it wrong. I just say 100 because even if it's 99.9999, it's you round it off. When the market gets it wrong, which it will, it always gets it wrong. Remember this, because the pervasive view is flawed. Okay, because the mainstream, and it goes even beyond the mainstream. It encompasses pretty much everybody's view, is based in a flawed understanding of the monetary system. You can absolutely guarantee to you that the whatever the market does is going to be wrong. Eventually, the fundamentals put it back in the right direction, but the first reaction is always wrong. It always is. So that's going to be wrong. So we have that. And then we just have our normal, fiscal flow situation in June. Now, I wrote something about that. I wrote something about that in today's street.com article. I don't know if it's up yet. I will be delving into that very deeply in this weekend's MMT Trader, the new issue, when I will be putting it together this weekend. I will be delving into that very deeply. And by the way, don't think I stopped looking at those, labor-related fiscal flows too. The thing that gave me the insight to call this weak jobs number today. Already last night I was looking at them. There's things in there already that I'm going to tell you about in the MMT Trader Report. Now, I know we got some new signups today. I'm very happy about that. Not a lot, but still happy about the new signups. But I know there are many of you out there who have not taken advantage of the 30-day free trial of MMT Trader. I don't understand it. I don't understand that. www.pitbulleconomics.com. Click on the tab that says products. And by the way, I do emphasize that if you want the proper education, you really need to get that Understanding the Daily Treasury Statement course, because then you know what I'm talking about. You'll know what I'm talking about. Maybe you'll even go off on your own and do it. Maybe you'll start a competing weekly report. I don't know. See how nice I am? I give away all my secrets. www.pitbulleconomics.com. Click on courses for that. And of course, you could also find my Forex course there, which teaches you the mental game. It's all about mental game. You know, I'd say what, 70-80% of my videos here now are really focused on that. And I know many of you are very appreciative because I've helped you through some tough times. Not the cockroaches, of course. Okay, that's it for now. Remember, June's going to be a big month, folks. Really big. With a lot of mistakes by, the people out there that we are going to, we're going to pounce. The tigers, the lions, we're going to be going after those sheep. It's going to be a feast. A feast. June. We'll all retire after this month. Oh, one more thing. I almost forgot. Remember a couple of days ago, here's a very interesting thing. A couple of days ago, I spoke about the reaction in the Forex market. Particularly, I was talking about dollar-yen or the yen when Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo+Abe said he's going to do a big stimulus in the fall, and he's not going to, they're going to hold off on that planned sales tax increase. So everybody bought the yen. Okay, everybody bought the yen because they thought, oh, the stimulus is coming in the fall. But they don't even understand that if the stimulus actually came today, it would be negative for the yen. But they bought the yen for the wrong reason. See, it's always the wrong reason. Anyway, we already know, even after we're going to make a fortune this month in June, we already know we're going to make another fortune in the fall because we're going to sell the yen. We let it rally now. It's fantastic. What a setup. We make money in the summer. Then the fall starts. We make even more money. Oh, my God. It's too easy, folks. All right. I'll see you. Bye-bye.